The village without a name. On the edge of a long highway, there was a small village with no name on any map. Buses passed it, trains crossed nearby, but no board ever showed its name. Travelers stopped there only when their vehicles broke down. They always asked the same question: "What is this village called?" The villagers only smiled. They never answered. Years ago, the village had a name. It was painted proudly on a big wooden board at the entrance. One night, a powerful flood destroyed half the village. Many lives were lost. The name board was washed away. After that, the villagers made a decision. They never replaced it. They said, "Names don't save lives, people do." Years later, a government officer came to register the village. He needed a name. The villagers gathered, old men, women, children. They said, "Write this, a place where people help each other." The officer smiled and wrote it down. When he left, a small board appeared at the entrance. It didn't show a name. It showed a message. Moral: a place is remembered not by its name, but by its humanity.